I'm Abhiraj Singh and I'm back with my another new hacking tutorial. Now, how to remotely shut down every computer of school or college connected to one network. So, with the hope of your enjoyment, let's get started without any delay. So first of all, create a new folder. Create a new folder like this. And name it as you wish. I'm naming it hacker. Like this. And after creating, just open that folder and then right click and create a new text document. So let me open this. As the notepad opens, type cmd.exe, and after typing it, then click on file and click on save as, and then name it as cmd.bat and click on all files and just hit save. Close the notepad. As you can see, cmd.bat appears on the folder, and then open the location of that saved document and open it. As you can see, the command prompt opens. CLS. And now just carefully follow me, because now the main steps begins. After opening the command prompt, type shutdown space -I and just hit OK. Now, after typing this, a window appears which allows you and us to add the computer's name and the mode, whether we have to shut down or restart or avoid the unexpected shutdown, and a display warning dialog box which sets the display warning, and then the planned, unplanned, the shutdown, and the comment section like this, which allows you to give a message to your victim computer while shutting it down, and many more options. So let me show you what to apply on these dialog boxes. First, set the display timing as 15 seconds, and then select the shutdown button like this, and which is just below which is just above the dialog warning box. So by then click on the other unplanned option on this, and by then just give a message to the victim computer while shutting it down. It will appear on the computer screen while it will shut down it. So I am giving the message: you are hacked. Like this. And now the question appears. Now the question arises: what to add in the computer's name field? So we can see the victim computer's name by typing the code netview. Let me show you. Type netview. So this command shows the name of every computer which is connected to your network. In my case, I'm the only person who is connected to the network. So let me type my own computer's name and apply this forum to shut down my own computer. But remember, if you are in school, college, or any public place where numerous computers should be in a network. So let me show you. Shutdown -I. Add the computer's name. My computer's name is HCL-PC. Just hit OK. It will shut down. And the unplanned. And you are like this. This will shut down my own computer. So let me shut down it. Hello YouTube, I'm Abhirat Singh and I'm back with my another new hacking tutorial. Now, how to remotely shut down every computer of school or college connected to one network. So, with the hope of your enjoyment, let's get started without any delay. So first of all, create a new folder. Create a new folder like this.